We're in downtown Annandale. We're at the ACA Child Care Development Center, and in the adjacent Eileen Garnett Civic Space, where we have just created this wonderful mural. When we opened this park a year ago, we knew that this would be a perfect setting to have a mural to help activate the space and create excitement and buzz for the area.
So the mural's at a very central location for this community. It's near the park, it's at the end of a street where you can see it when you come up. It's a very heavily used building. So the mural gets a lot of visitors and gets a lot of, is very high profile. The goal is that the mural itself will inspire other muralists.
We developed the program, worked with Arts Fairfax, who has networks of artists, where we put out a call for artists saying that we were looking to do public murals, people that were interested in working with the community as part of the mural process. The selection committee is composed of some of my staff, a member of Arts Fairfax, and then community representatives. Each of the semi-finalists were interviewed by the committee and then was asked to provide an initial concept. The artist is Pepe Ganca. He had an amazing ability to convey the feelings and emotions that the committee was looking for. The community's reaction to this has been overwhelmingly positive. What we want is people to be excited and take pride in Annandale. The sentiments we're hearing both with the park and this mural space is there's a feeling Annandale is on the upswing. And with our programming events in the park and this mural space, it's really starting to take off.